Serious. Water. No, hang on, let me tell you.
Thank you.
I think I have to call the taxi to take us to the hospital.
No, it's fine. You know we can't afford the hospital bills. I'll be fine. I just need to get some medicine. I'll later go get stuff for you.
No, don't worry. I'll go get those stuff myself. But tell me what happened. Were you chased by a dog or something?
No, after the call I decided to return back home and then go. But all of a sudden nothing seemed changed. I started to go cold and then I felt some sharp pains in my heart. I felt like I collided with something that I don't exactly know what it was.
We do live in a strange world and unexpected things tend to happen. But let me get you inside so that you can take a nap, okay? We'll revisit this issue. This issue again.
Day off all this drama and this news a lot.
That is why I wish I could command everyone in this school, you know. After classes, they follow me home and treat me like the princess that I am.
Tell me about it. Oh, I wish I could command everybody to bow.
Oh, yeah.
Before me. You know,
yes.
The age, the young, the old, the new, the rich, the poor, all. I want to be in authority.
You sure?
Okay. Me, my only wish is to be the queen of darkness.
Queen of what?
Queen of darkness.
Is she dying? Is the queen dying?
Are you thinking of
No, but
the
that's
truth?
my wish.
That's your wish?
Yes.
Some wishes are expensive, my dear.
What's expensive about this?
Are you planning to kill?
How can I do that? But, you know, being a queen is not
Well, what you wish for,
that wish may never
happen.
My wish will come through.
She's not dying anyway.
She will definitely die.
Oh, definitely. Definitely,
If
she
I
will
were
die.
you, I wouldn't be talking about the queen of darkness. I wouldn't be.
Why would
my
you
wish
wish
that?
I don't know. You know something you don't know.
Hey, what are you doing here? What on earth are you doing here?
So instead of you sitting down by your books to read and study, you are here talking nonsense, right? Listen, you go through the school and don't allow the school to go through you. You will amount to nothing. Read my lips. If you keep this attitude of yours, look at their faces, fools. Come on, clear out from here. Go and study. Look at them.
You come here.
go to the cafeteria, alright? And get me a bottle of water. Okay?
I'll be right back.
Alright.
What are you still standing there
Just
for?
whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my
Vini, add me. Vetus Angelus. Vini, add me. Vetus Angelus. Come to me, old angel.
Dominus Vocat Admus.
But I can't come to the other room. Something is wrong with me. All the spells are not working.
Father was so sure when he took all these positions from me and handed them to you. This is the easiest task among all the ranks. Tell me what happened.
I'm sorry to say this, old one, but I know with your rank, you can foresee things.
We do not ask because we don't know. We ask for confirmation and to measure one's loyalty. The book of the dead, you made it disappear?
Yes, old one. I need to find the book of death before the Grim Reaper comes to take the dead ones to the afterlife. I need your help, old one. Please help me.
This is beyond my limit. I do not want conflict with the Grim Reaper. But you have two options. Either you find the book of the dead before the coming of the Grim Reaper, which I find it to be impossible, or to make that human walk through again.
Why do humans always tend to destroy everything Father built?
Your task begins now.
a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, angels love surrendered.
Jeffy! Why are you doing this to me? Jeffy! Jeffy!
There's another one called
Kellyanne!
Confion.
Kellyanne, so you mean you are not hearing me?
If you write that in examination,
Why am I telling you? I'm sorry. I don't understand what is going on. Jeffy, please. Let's stop this prank, please.
You don't mention
Jeffy! Kellyanne!
Let's maybe
Jeffy!
Peace all on this one.
I don't know. Just like talking to me.
Thank God I'm not a jealous type.
You are?
Me.
Yeah, you are.
Me.
Yes.
Students, where is that dark, short girl? Thriller, where is she?
See, I haven't seen her.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Oh, these girls.
Mr. D, is there any problem?
There is a problem. There is a problem. I sent this girl to go and get me a bottle of water. And it turned out to be a urine.
Oh, no.
Can you imagine? These girls killed me.
Sir, please, are you sure it was deliberate?
How will I know? That is why I'm looking for her. If you see her, tell her I'm looking for her. You're making myself clear.
Yes, sir.
Stupid.
Did he really say urine?
What a urine.
Oh,
how?
Peace all on his
Anyways, forget about it. Cool, I'm just there. But
Tracy.
why are you always so quiet? Like,
you don't need to know.
Okay.
Let me just focus on what I'm seeing.
What you are seeing. So you every day you see things. Why are you always scaring us? Hey, madam, I beg. So, what's up? What are you going to eat for today?
Today I need like shawarma.
Shawarma.
What nonsense? What nonsense?
Peace all on this one.
Stupid fool, thinking you can disrespect us and go scot-free.
The audacity to shout at us.
Who does he think he is to order us about?
Just this, and you are drinking urine. How I wish.
You know what? This wish, we can make it come through.
Yeah. If there is a need to add our powers to yours, we will do it, girl. You don't have to worry.
We just
have to deal with him.
We make him carry our bags after school. And we just walk majestically behind him. What do you think?
I love you too. Anything for you.
Peace all on this one.
Yeah, hello? Yes, I'm Stanley's guardian. No, he has not discussed anything with me, and I have no idea about the course. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. I'll discuss things with you and provide you with the feedback, please. Thanks very much.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrounded me like a flame.
Besides, you're my friend. You don't talk to me. You don't play with me. And all you do for me is what's wrong? Nothing. What do you mean nothing? You're all by yourself and you ain't doing anything. The truth is, I see things. I see the dead. I talk to them. That's the only reason why Ohima keeps coming to me. Ohima keeps coming to you. I've been not them. Ohima's ghost is still on this campus. She's staring me, don't say. Just because she has rejected killing herself. I mean, are you a witch? A witch? No, I'm not a witch. This is a gift. This is a gift I see beyond my imagination. I can't hurt anyone, not just talking of a fly. I can't. Is this some kind of fantasy or what? Do you understand? I'm making you understand. All I can tell you is a gift. That's it. I don't understand this. I mean, this sounds so unreal, like it sounds like a fantasy. Sheila, what else do you want me to say? I don't know, but you have to make me understand. In time, you understand. Can you just go? Go.
A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrounded me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. No shame.
Are you still asleep? Don't you know it is lazy folks that sleep at any time of the day? Huh? Well, I met her absence and I learned she's been hospitalized. The price one pays for old age. Your tutor just called me. And he said you've asked for a transfer of school. Huh?
Sorry I didn't inform you before taking that decision. I know you wouldn't like it, but I'm doing everything for you. I see the stress you go through and everything, and I want to be close to you, so I can help you with your sales. My old school is very far away.
You should have told me. I mean, I would have hired an assistant.
You know.
If that is the case, let me just hire an assistant.
You need money. We need to save money for your check-ins and everything. Not forgetting my tuition fees as well.
Promise me one thing. and you're going to take your studies very serious. Stanley, you know how much I have invested in your education. The tuition fees is even killing me. I wouldn't want you to fail your exams. I want the best that there is for you. Please. Always have it at the back of your mind that there's no room for failure in your studies. Alright?
Sure, alright. I promise to make you proud.
Let me just get into the kitchen.
A love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Sham your doobie, or dosun kwami shebito, or the musunko, Yamibo far away.